Only 430 calories, 52 grams of protein for this burger and fries. It's insane. One serving of crinkle cut fries into the air fryer, 400 degrees for a couple minutes. We're looking for about 3 ounces each patty. We're only gonna need 2 patties for this burger. Pan on medium-high heat with some avocado oil in the pan. We can salt up our burgers and some pepper on there too. I'm gonna be using these 3 toppings from Old World Quality Foods, so I'm gonna prepare them right now. First up, we got marinated peppers, some Polish dill pickles, and some traditional German salad. Pan is pretty hot. Let's throw these burgers in. We're gonna take a press and smash them down as good as we can. The goal is to get them as thin as we can. Some more salt on the top of these. I really need to get a griddle. 2 slices of fat-free American cheese. We'll throw our bun in there to steam up with a little bit of water and the lid on top. 430 calories and 52 grams of protein for this burger and these fries. That pepper is really good. Pickle I think is even better though. I topped this burger with the help of Old World Quality Foods. Their stuff's great. You guys gotta give it a try. They've got perfect condiments for barbecues and cookouts, or literally just making any food. You can use my code with the link in my bio to get 15% off any of their products. These pickles are so good. Perfect on a burger.